How to create poll on Fiverr. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Fiverr on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then go to the chat where you want to create a poll and press on the plus sign at the bottom left. Here, click on poll. After you've clicked on poll, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, simply click on the question at the top and type in your question, then add your options and then press on create. After you've pressed on create, the poll will be sent in your chat and you will be able to create a poll in this way. This is how to create poll on Fiverr. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.